how would you like to be able to create your own digital product? In fact, how would you like to be able to create your own video course and have somebody who's made hundreds of thousands of dollars right here at JVZoo as your teacher? Well, if you like the sound of creating your own financial freedom, if you like the sound of creating your own digital business and want to learn from a true expert, then you're going to absolutely love today's marketplace deal. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JVZoo team. And today we're incredibly excited to get to tell you about eCourse Agency. Now, eCourse Agency is a two-part system. First of all, you're getting access to an incredible set of step-by-step trainings that are going to show you exactly how to build your business online. This is going to show you how to create your own video course, how to create your own tutorials, and explain exactly step by step what you need to do to make it a success. Now, if that wasn't awesome enough, you're also going to be getting a software that's going to do 99% of the heavy lifting for you and enable you to very quickly and very professionally create these video courses. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, that video, there's always one thing that stands between you wanting to do video and actually getting it done. And often it's this, it's putting yourself on camera, it's actually being filmed, knowing what to say and not worrying if you make a mistake. All of that ends today. You see, with this brand new software, you do not need to get on camera. You don't need to expose yourself. You don't need to worry if you're going to say the wrong thing or worry that you might embarrass yourself. You can remain completely anonymous while creating incredible video courses that you can sell here on JVZoo if you want, or anywhere else you like. Now, remember, I told you this is a two-part system. Let's take a quick look at the membership area. Let's take a look at the training so you can see step by step how you're going to be shown exactly what it takes to be successful. You see, these easy to view video tutorials walk you through exactly what the process is. Down below them, you will see great guides that show you again step by step. So even if you've never made a single cent online, if maybe you've been around JVZoo a while, maybe you've even bought a couple of products, but you're yet to make any money, this is the course you need. This is a course that's going to show you exactly what a proven top vendor is doing here on JVZoo and gives you a step-by-step system to replicate it. Now, I also mentioned the software. The software is pretty damn slick. Now, this software allows you to very easily input text and it will automatically convert it into video for you. It can even give you a voiceover if you need. Heck, maybe you don't even want to do it in English. Maybe you want to do it in French or Spanish. This software can do that for you. Now, when you grab eCourse Agency today, through the link down below, you're going to be able to lock this in at a one-time price. So you don't have to pay monthly, you don't have to pay yearly to get access to this software. It's a one-time price, you get instant access to that training, and of course you can go through it at your own pace. You get access to the software so that you can get started right away and start making your online desires a reality.